Hi, Brandon Hardison, President of Champion Strategy and spokesperson for ShopSmart Autos, giving you the best information we can when it comes to your next automotive lease or purchase. We're picking up from the last video when we were talking about what dealers can do to have a customer good experience at your dealership during this coronavirus period. So we're just going to pick it up from there. How about cleaning and disinfecting measures? Do you have something in place? The coronavirus crisis has ramped up sterilization efforts worldwide. The CDC, along with the health of our country and also the health of our neighbors to the north and the south, being Canada and Mexico, have established guidelines for cleaning and disinfecting homes and the workplace. If we can follow these guidelines, it will help prevent the spread of the disease while maintaining availability for your store's essential services. We need to start decluttering. Disposable water bottles, coffee mugs, tissues. Keep desks free from clutter and encourage your people to always monitor. Ensure paperwork is filed or destroyed by shredding and not left out in the open. Uncluttered surfaces make cleaning more thorough and less time consuming. Cleaning and disinfecting touch areas. Our health department recommends cleaning phones, electronics, door handles, table services, and remotes daily, whether we're at home or in the office. How about the bathroom sinks, hand washing stations, not to mention kindly touch door handles? All of these need to be sanitized. Now, whether you're at home or at work, once again, there are certain things, knobs, people walking through, touching surfaces in your office or at the dealership. All of these need to be disinfected at a certain time. And when you do this, customers will have a better experience when they come to look at your vehicle. Now, how about guidelines for vehicles and vehicle deliveries? Do we disinfect with the customer watching before they take delivery or before they go on a demo ride? Are we sanitizing and the customer's watching door handles, interior, exterior, steering wheel, rear view mirror, center consoles, anything that customers are going to touch, they're seeing you clean these things. When we do this, the customers will have a better experience. Now, also, whatever you do, we know that the PPEs do cost money. There may be some relief in the area where you live, but the key thing, customers need to be confident that you're doing your part. And it certainly means that by you doing the dealership sanitation and decluttering on a specific time, whatever a dealership may have for you, please do it because people are watching. I would love to see at a certain time all salespeople stop, whether they're doing business or not, and they go through their work area process. The whole sales team is doing it. This gives a strong, powerful message to the consumer that yes, at this dealership, they care about their consumers' health and about the employees' health. Once again, Brandon Hardison, spokesperson for ShopSmart Autos. And as always in parting, you go out and you make it a champion.